Hey, how's it going? Alright, finally gonna finish that first project we started with my very first YouTube video. I've got the second and third setups to go. We're gonna get right into the second for the two parts, and then I'll be back before we start the third off.
Well, Olivia, you should listen to your mother. Did she never tell you otherwise? You're guaranteed to turn out like your brother if you keep on getting high. Well, it's none of your goddamn concern. She snarls and rolls her eyes. Yeah, Olivia is like totally over getting our ton of the time. It's not that she doesn't care. It's just that it doesn't matter. Why'd you do that to your head? A cigarette, please kill me faster.
Alright, continuing on with this part, we're up to top 3 on the two pieces. Alright, I've already got the soft jaws cut. I've got it to where it's going to hold two parts. So basically left and right. I'll flip it around, do it again until we get them all finished. And same thing for the third off on this part. We're going to be drilling the sides here. So we'll put it in that way, and then I'll end up taking it out, flipping it over. Putting it in there. I've got to cut some tools off, set the home, and run it and see what it looks like.
She gets more easy. Why'd you do that to your head? Because I'm
Alright, well now I got to load them up and touch off the Z height, and then pick up the home position for the two different ops, and we'll be ready to go.
She's so to here with all of us. What will be is that enough? Yeah, man, so you hear about Olivia? Who's that? Some fucked up shit, man. No, hey, dude, I know she's over it. Dude, you're not scared. She's so to here with all of us. What will be is that enough?
Alright, well that was the two parts. I finally finished. Appreciate you sitting around and watching another one of my videos. I think these videos are more for me working on the mechanics of editing. I do only have one camera.